Welcome to Gaggenau Home Chefs series. I'm Hideaki Sato from Restaurant Tabi Central, and now I introduce the oil bath cooked beef with asparagus and tomato and basil sauce. As you know, sous vide cook is good for meat keep tender, but sometimes we have the meat juice drip. So today I introduce another way to cook meat, precise the temperature and keep the moisture inside. First, we prepare cooking oil. Any kind of oil is okay. And garlic and rosemary. So first we cut the garlic, just half, and put in the pan, and rosemary, and the oil. So later we cook meat in this oil. We heat it up around 60 degrees. And then we cook the beef, just pan-sear quickly. We heat up the frying pan very hot and a bit to oil. Now no need to season, just around 10 seconds each face, like this. And the oil with rosemary and the garlic around 60 degrees and move into the container. Any container is okay, just need a bit the best. And we put this meat inside oil. Right. Then this container put in the oven. And put thermometer in the inside of meat and 60 degrees. Keep oil 60 degrees and the core temperature 55, depend on how much you cook. During we cooking meat, we start making sauce. We use fresh tomato and fresh sweet basil and lemon and shallot and balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. First cut the tomato. Just cut small dice. If skin is still soft, you don't need to take out skin. Once cut, we put it in this mixing bowl. After tomato, we cut the fresh basil. Just chop the roughly. Just bring out flavor. No need to cut very thin, just very rough. And put in the same bowl. And cut shallot, just a bit, and put in the mixing bowl. And we use lemon juice as well. Then all mix with a bit vinegar, balsamic vinegar, and the salt, and black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. This is very simple sauce, and this sauce we can use hot steak or also cold steak. Still we steam green asparagus. Peel it, cut the bottom, and put on the grill and steam it. Just 100 degrees, around 3 to 5 minutes. So if green asparagus is very sweet, I don't think you need to blanch in the water. The steam is we can keep the flavor and the taste sweetness. Around 3 to 5 minutes later, depend on size of the green asparagus, we take out the green asparagus. If we want serve cold, you want serve cold, cool down in the ice water. If you want serve hot, just take out and then start plating. So now meat core temperature reaches to 55 degrees. We take out the oil and the meat. Then we take out meat from this oil. The same as sous vide pack, we can cook meat slow cooked, so keep the meat moisture inside and soft but also still keep the flavor and the meat juice. Take out a bit oil and season with the salt and pepper. Then we heat up the pan. When we cook again this beef, we can also use this garlic and the rosemary and the oil. Then we cook meat. Already inside the temperature is 55 degrees, so almost medium well. Just now we cook the surface, bring out the flavor, nice roasted meat flavor and the fat. And next we cut green asparagus. First season with salt and olive oil. And plate. And the meat. This now inside is very juicy. Just plate randomly. Then we put this tomato sauce and rocket. Just season olive oil, salt, and pepper. And some piece of fresh basil leaf and Parmesan cheese. If you want, you can shred or just slice also. This is the oil bath cooked beef and the green asparagus and tomato basil sauce.